This is LinkedIn Updated, brought to you by Linkability. I'm Lynnaire Johnston. Here's what's new. Hosts of LinkedIn Lives will see a redesigned interface when setting up events. The new layout includes additional visibility features, redesigned tabs, and expanded analytics. Also new is the ability to download the event file for editing. A new Highlights widget has been introduced in the mobile app. Designed to keep professionals informed at a glance, it aggregates key activity from your network. Early indications suggest it's geared more towards casual users than frequent power users. A new metric called sends has been added to post analytics. This measures how many times your content has been sent to another member, completing the trio alongside saves and reposts. All analytics are now fully downloadable for richer reporting. Company pages you manage are now ordered by activity, with your most active page displayed first. This is a small change, but one expected to save time for company page managers. Testing of a new AI-driven search function is underway, initially in the US and now reported to be expanding to other regions. This promises more intuitive and intelligent search results, so stay tuned as this evolves. 2 new enhancements for job seekers have been noted. Job Tracker upgrades now include notes, connection insights at target companies, improved filters, and new sort options. A new job search guide resource is live to help users navigate and track their job search journey with continuously added support tools. And finally, in this update, professionals can now display verified proficiency in specific AI tools in their licenses and certification sections on their profile. Partners currently include Descript, Lovable, Relay.app, and Replit, with Gamma, GitHub, and Zapier coming soon. Those are the key platform feature changes you need to know today. We'll be back with further updates very soon. Stay tuned, and if you liked this video, please like and subscribe.